Welcome to another edition of 60 Seconds with Femi. And where I did today, now the Yakubu Gowan Stadium, home ground of Rivers United Football Club of Port Harcourt and Rivers Angels Football Club of Port Harcourt. And they also play their matches here. This is at the Yakubu Gowan Stadium for Port Harcourt. And at the Axona today, how many stadiums una don't go? How many Nigerian football club stadiums una don't go? Una don't go the one where they your state, or you don't go the one where they outside your state? And how much you think say be the right amount of money where clubs go they collect as tickets? Some people don't talk say if it pass 200 naira me I no go pay. Some people say 500 naira me I go pay because na club within my state. I go want make the club within my state develop. So at the action at this morning, how much you think say be the right amount of money where clubs suppose they collect as gate fee? And you go like pay money go watch local football as I they see here now the Rivers United lower leagues, they are small boys. Now then they train today and then just they run around, they put some pace in the work. The league goes to start. This is another edition of 60 Seconds with Femi. Don't forget to like, share and comment. Make your friends them see this video.